In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background image in Figma tutorial. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along and get a clean background in just a minute or two. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, open the file or page where you want to add the background. If you already have a design started, great. If not, you can begin fresh. Either way, the process is exactly the same. Next, create a frame. A frame is the canvas your background will live on. You can draw a frame using the Frame tool or pick a preset size like desktop or mobile from the options. Choose the size that matches your design and make sure the frame is selected so the settings you apply affect the right thing. You'll know it's selected if you see its name and dimensions in the right-hand sidebar. With the frame selected, look to the right panel for the Fill section. By default, you'll see a solid color fill. Click on that. Fill swatch to open the fill options, then change the type from solid to image. This tells Figma you want to use a picture instead of a color. Click. Choose image, then browse your computer and select the photo or graphic you want as your background. Once you confirm, Figma will place it inside the frame as an image fill. If the image doesn't quite look right at first, use the settings right there in the Fill panel to fine-tune it. The scale options like Fill, Fit, Crop, and Tile are very handy. Fill is perfect when you want the image to cover the entire frame edge to edge. Fit ensures the whole image is visible, which may leave margins. Crop lets you position the most important part of the image within the frame, and Tile repeats the image if you need a pattern. You can click Adjust to drag the image around, or tweak the opacity if you want a softer look behind your content. A few quick tips while you're here. Make sure you've selected the frame, not a shape inside it. Otherwise, the image might apply to the wrong layer. Use a high-resolution image for crisp results. And once you're happy with the background, you can lock the frame in the Layers panel to avoid accidental moves while designing on top of it. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your page, create a frame, switch the fill to image, choose your picture, and adjust the display to your liking. You now have a polished background ready for your design.